Hey friends, paleontologist Royce here, and I'm going to talk to you about the beasts that roamed the earth millions of years ago. Dinosaurs. That's right, the ancient creatures of the past have returned to the classroom, and they are bigger and more fun than ever. In this fun, hands-on program, you will have an opportunity to explore and take a deep dive into the ancient world of these magnificent beasts. You get to create your own dinosaurs out of different art supplies, test out your dino knowledge with DinoWorld trivia, and you can even learn how scientists study dinosaur bones by opening up and studying real owl pellets. On top of all the hands-on fun, be prepared to have your brains filled with old world dino knowledge, such as the 3 dino eras in which they lived: the Triassic, Jurassic, and Cretaceous periods, the different types and species of dinos, and what caused them to be extinct and how animals today share qualities with the animals back then. Now, there are no million-year gaps in this class, so you don't have to wait long to participate in dino digs, fossil hunts, and Dino of the Day activities. You even get your own dinosaur egg to take home with you. So friends, it's time to get those explorer hats ready and prepare yourself to take a deep dive into a world that gives you a glimpse into the far past in a class 65 billion years in the making.